Nikifunga kitambaa usiku, asubuhi napatanga ikiniambia hello from the other side. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Mariana and today I'm going to show you some of the fabrics that I have thrifted and the prices, and they are going to see the project that I will be doing with them. To begin with, this green fabric. This was a tablecloth. I have already done 2 projects with this. A very big one. This was 50 Kenya shillings. That's 50 cents. That's 50 cents. Good quality. That's the first one. This is a bed mattress cover. I hope so. This is a mattress cover, white in color. This is good to use as a lining. Yeah, so this was 30 Kenya shillings. And look at the checked one. That would be beautiful for a baby dress. Yeah, so that's also 30 bob. Hii nayo nilinunua 30 bob. Hii ni curtain, I think. Hii pia ni mattress cover. Hii ni mattress cover. 30 bob. 30 bob. Look at this. I don't know why I love this, but this is fantastic. That is beautiful. Uses hizi zote, I'm sure itatengenezea mtoto nguo. I'm still not sure of what color I'll add to, I'll match with this. I'm not yet sure. So it's just, this was 30 bob also. I don't know. I think hii ilikuwa inatumika kushona kwa sababu venye imekatwa ni kama ilikuwa inatengeneza t-shirt or something. You see? Yeah, so it's like ilikuwa inatengeneza t-shirt ish. Yeah, so that is 30 bob. There, big that. These were free of charge. So what I intend to use this ni kuongeza pockets. I don't know. Yeah, hizi zitakuwa tu za marembesho, kurembesha whatever I will make. There are 3 of them. Ni mrembo. Alikuwa anataka kuniuzia 30 bob each, but nikamwambia hizi zote nimenunua, so hizo zitakuwa ni marembo. Moshaino. This is also a tablecloth, a round tablecloth. The quality, nawaambia, the quality ni ile kitu ingine. It's just on point. Ni mzito, like iko tu. I'm just loving this, and I'll still be using this kind of fabrics. I'm not going to buy any new one. I buy them, I soak them in the ninazisokwa disinfectant, and then ninazifua, and then I add some fabric softener. Na smell vizuri, like vizuri kabisa. Yeah, so hii ni Moshaino. Sijui kama zitaingiana na hii. Hapana, haingiani, like itakaa hapo until ni find kitu ya kutengenezea. Hii pia ni nzuri for a dress ama a trouser. Okay, let's go on. So that was 50 bob pia. Ebu imagine hii ikiwa dress, like nilikuwa 30 bob. Shilingi 30 imani. Na ni kubwa. Yeah, so they are so pretty. So hiyo ni 30 bob. 30 bob. Yeah, so hiyo nitatengenezea dress. That I am sure of. Kenya ninataka kutengeneza. This I am sure of. I want to make a dress out of this. The other one that I'm sure of ni hii. This one nataka kutengeneza bonnet. Kwa sababu nikifunga kitambaa usiku, asubuhi napatanga ikiniambia hello, hello from the other side, hello from the other side. Yes, so hii nitatengeneza. Yes, this is the other one. Hey, these things are just so pretty. These things are just so pretty. Yeah, so this one I also bought for 30 Kenya shillings. I think it's Christmas themed. Yeah, they are sliding. So this hii nimetumia kwa only one project, and so far so good. The quality is good, the quality is okay, it's fantastic. So hii sijui nitatengeneza nini, dress ama top ya mtoto, of course. For now I'm just focusing on making those small dresses because it's so enjoyable, so fantastic. Yeah, so hey, this is the last one. So far those are the fabrics that I have in my storage. Yes, and I'm looking forward to making so many things from this. And if you like this kind of content, why not subscribe, why not share, why not like? So until next time, kwaheri.